Hey everyone, thanks for coming along. This video is not my normal standard. I wasn't expecting to be vlogging, but it turned out to be quite a little adventure. So you're going to hear me talking in the video, but not too much. Until about halfway through where I thought I could make it into a genuine interesting video, so then I start talking to the camera, so don't think I've gone mental halfway through. I don't want to add music, although it does feel like it needs something, but this is really just to show what a street twin can do. If you're wondering what tyres I'm using here, it's the Scorpion Trail 3s. I found they've been absolutely brilliant so far, although I haven't actually done that many miles on them, so we'll soon find out how long they last and what they're like in the rain. But the first day I had them fitted, I had a pillion on the back and we spent 3 hours going around the Cotswolds, and not a single time did I felt like they slipped or came unstuck at all, even though I had the pillion. And it was winter, so all the roads were really greasy, and the tyres were really fresh, and they still had their wax on them. So, probably not the smartest idea there, but I didn't come off, so no problems there. So, just before I go and let you enjoy this video, I've got 2 microphones on order now. They've both arrived, and I'm testing them this afternoon, so soon there's going to be a comparison video coming out of the Purple Panda versus the Rode Lavalier Go. Accidentally ordered them both, so I'm really looking forward to hearing from you which one works best, and which one should I keep as the main one, and which should I use for the off-bike stuff. So, I'll speak to you all soon, and I hope you enjoy this video. Bloody stupid idea. Hey! Oh, now that hurts. Whew. Oh yeah. Jesus. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you can see this, but you keep coming across these. That's my entire foot. So I think my sump guard needs to go on soon. And then you've got a foot like that, and then you've got a puddle like this. It's just mush on the bottom. So it certainly is a good laugh, but I can now see why they say don't do this on your own. Certainly needs a rinse when I get back. Oh, I always forget about my goggles. Ah, that's better. Sweaty, but better. Right, we can't be too far off the end of it all. Some nice back roads. Actually, let's go into the ditch.
definitely going to rinse her when I get home. Just a little bit of water. Keep things good. Oh, it goes on. I know this is what I came here for, but not quite. Oh, this is a bit better. Just enough clearance. Ah, yeah. That traditional gigantic thud as you land. God, this is good fun, but I thought it'd be a bit easier. I didn't realise it'd be this difficult. Oh, sweet. We should be coming to the end. I can't imagine there's much more. I'm enjoying it, but not. First time ever on a road this difficult, so. I'm literally just skimming over these little dividers. My pegs just gliding over, so. It's a good laugh. God, I can see the end. Oh. I'm not doing that again. I'm gonna go back the roadway. But I haven't got off it yet. Let's just check. Oh no. Please don't tell me it's like a super sharp slope and I'll have to test the torque on this bad boy. Oh yeah, it looks exactly like I thought it would. That's a bit bumpy. That one looks flatter. That's my gut instinct to go right. You still there with me? Yeah.
Brilliant. If you made it this far, thank you
we
so
did
much
it.
for watching. From Monday the 29th, which is tomorrow, we can ride without a good reason in the UK, and I cannot wait for it. I've got some really exciting stuff planned, lots of day trips, and I might even have some work coming back as well, so that's all very exciting stuff, and I hope to catch you again soon. Thanks for making it this far, and I'll see you again soon.